Well, first of all, you need a good channel plan. Advice is simple, really. It's just to copy and reintervent content that already exists, or the type of content that already exists on YouTube, and that's how you easily target the algorithm, right? So it's easy for the algorithm to pick up your videos amongst hundreds and millions of videos. Let me explain what I mean by reinterventing. For example, if you wanna do maybe football or sports videos, sports related videos, this is what you can just do. Instead of starting your own sports channel and talking about the same very events that other YouTubers are already talking about, you can just react to their videos, react to a video that's already going viral. You feel me? That's how you call the algorithm, bro. It's the pull factor, if you know what I mean, bro. The pull factor. Pull the algorithm into your channel. That's what this video is really about. How to pull the algorithm to your channel. The more relatable your content is, the easier for the algorithm to detect the content, because you feel me, the very same content is already going viral on YouTube. Other big YouTubers, or other YouTubers who are really getting millions of views, are already doing the same content. It's like, instead of having to come up with your own joke, just take a joke that already exists and reintervent it. You feel me? Bring it to the new generation and make it unique and more funnier. You feel me? I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. It's just reshuffling content, but following, guidelines and copyright, all that. You feel me? Like you add sufficient details or sufficient information to already existing content.